Halo, jotono no phone kaham. Ini belai no nangkong maniti hain live video ma fakia. Naro jotono siu Mia. Actually sini khoraksa bukhukje. Je sexually harassed molest khaijang maniti ye YTF rok thangai. YTF TWF ti promoter thangai aro TISF thangai. Kaisa FR lodge khaimani and police no. Ekdom Karak evidence by bono saika ukaze o borok romjang nang nahi nahi. Belani khobar kamni bising tei sing saiman ka je sing o borono detain khai tabu arrest khaiman ka haisi. O bhai ke possibilities bhai ke mo man bhai ke mo actually sing khaiman. Abono sing barbar chanani chesta khayu je jefro tiprasarok thancha tong hanggang kai khaiman ya mungsa kri haisi. Abono moino bobagra barbar request khayu je Sing thancha ma tongnai haisi. Tini just within 24 hours kaya ko. O borono sing tabu detain kai sing arrest khaiman ka. Omo sini joto YTF ni leaders, TWM ni leaders, T promote ni leaders, TIS ni leaders, TISF town committee joto tongnai bor joto sing help khaiman bising tei. Sing tini ma kai success sing evidence sing man khaisi. Sing tini success detain khaiman ka. Ang sane haisi Abon barbar sane chesta khayuseng. Tumung no tiprasar thancha tongi man ka hangkang kai. Seng mo hai jinis no seng romi man yakunu kri haise. Mo Tripura chini boroni bisingo jono kebo am hai injustice feeling itong hangkang kai. Khaiman yakunu kri haise. Abon manyang sau. Kabang ma rasni thngai tong haise. BJP theng CPM theng Congress theng IPF theng te kabang ma tong lai jotona jan hamjalai but jotona sau dofani kok jotona sau bona khainani hai kok biang khama kha tabu o je CPM ni Ganamukti Porishad biang khama kha Congress ni Suraj Debbarma khoraksa kaisa statement danu khamia jagawo ekta statement krei na CPM ni hoite na BJP ni hoite kaisa pan statement kre sob somoy no ki tipramotha YTF TW ni simila ta dak do phana tei tiprasono tei bubakra tipramotha ni simila dak to tai onyani kono dak to kri keda abana barbar sanani ayo haisi tabuk sing jotesto saimano bubakra bade tai kebo kre tiprasona hamjagi manai tiprasoni kongno sanai haisi sing tinamon kaisa proman I was very grateful. Bubagrani bising ti singjema hai kaisa sing kaisa achievement. Sini bukhukje kaisa rape khaijana thangai tongmani. Singamno kasoi sing tabu aborone arrest khaiman ka. 24 hours kaya not even 24 hours. Mia horni 8 tawa FIR khaikya. Just tabuk ada gonta sikang bo arrest ka. This is the power of Tiprasa and this is the power of omono kaisa Tiprasa ni power haisi. Kok salai jotono janjani political faida ni bagai. Tabu abono a photo no tabu BJP rok share khai borok credit nana mo jagana no problem but khaidi bkhabai haise Ganamukti Porishad Jitendra Chaudhary biang kama tabu where are the Janajati Morchas te kama political sa sali haise ang Tripura haste wo jaton Tiprasa siklana bai simi rajniti khale YTF TWF ti pramotha is not only a part of political background and it's not only a part of political party haisi sing try khayo to help our people as socially haisi sing mo kaise big achievement sing khoraksa bukhuk jemia bo a jagao thangai university thangai je rape khaijan nai tongmano tei police no SP no SDPO no s joto tongnai aro OC no sing direct saka tumung no norok omno detain khaimi arrest khaimani hangkai bus kango choba kotorta mungna bu sungseme communal issues panangna thangai chance tongai sai borok smaja saka sungno sorardi sung romi fungnai police bo tabu suno romi funu kaise police bo arrest khai funu ka so this achievement is not only for YTF this achievement is not for Tipramotha this achievement is for Tiprasa community haise khoraksa bukhukje rape khaijang thangai tongmani abono sungma thangmani abo tinmia judino o bukhukje o Tiprajek bo judino obno step naya ba bo obono kiriwoi bo siring achugui tong hangkai in future bot Tripura zani kapala abo kalake musang saimala kamai se. But I would really like to thank her. At least bo ekdom confident khaye ekdom karak bai bo amno bo saksa video chagai bini video bo nijin chagai bo amno save khaye te onyo kabangma Tripura zani life no bo secure khamen bagai. Ang sanani musung haisi sini Tripura sa takuran busuma. Ang sanani musung if we are united, sung judini united hinggang ke thansang hangke Tripura sani bikmo tungsapan songmai haisi. Oh hawa asuk zaroti guarantee rago. Thangla tabuk Tripura hawa Tripura thani khoraksa Tripura sono bukhai tingsap dehni bikum tingsap punya jesi phono gerna sajan salano. That we are the owner of this state. Sung oh hani malik abu bukhao bokhor ko chongdi sab samai na. Kabangma khaleyo political this and that. Are politics will party will go will come फाइनाय थांनाय but दफा तंगा नंगना हेसे दफा तंया के नों साबै पार्टी खायनाय न मिया आसो होर सारा Tripura prakliजak not only from Shillong Times Meghalaya Shillong ni hingthing ni Nagaland hingthing Mizoram ni hingthing Assam ni hingthing boro jotono call खायसं no tension nangjago Tripura sar tabuk oxygen tongmani bagay but singbo proof khaipung ka je sing ohani basa sing 24 hour ni bising o borono bo sing eras khai tukhlaiman ka abo sing bu phunu kaisi. That is the power of Tripura sing amonor sinan dorkar. We are not here only to gain politics. We are here to save our people. We are here to give the rights to of the people of Tripura sa abo te buhur buchinai Tripura sa te buhur buchinai tini buchiya khana buchiya jefru totally kelegi thangchongnai afur nung buji kun lab kri haise. Ang bayang sanani nayo sing mane khoraksa bukhuk just mang tongthang bani relatives ya but bot Tripura ble ani community ni borok ble bona sep khaini ani rights ta tong sin rights tong haise. Ang may sungnuka khoraksa Biswajit Debbarma pun tok sui hake lama kazaro buthar jagai tok thar jagai buthar video evidence oi kuno justice mani haise. Same wise Agartala sohoro Tripura Debbarma hanai singma am hai namani sing abaronoti action karang nawe sing am herone eras khaiman ka communal issue sab sanamba Tripura sa to sanamia jagawo awon pore singnuka lahari Debbarma big bazaro heres khaijagai bosaksak ma thigya priyanka riyang buthar jaka alu sakirani jomatia te pania park basang khorni khortambai rep khaijagai buthar jagai tam justice man ka amon khasinani belai dorkar tabu bukhasi khana bukhasi te bur khasi neba awon banyo sini request obase naro Tripura motana hamjak di bobagrana hamjak di akogi haisi sini request obono tongo Tripura sane je kono difficulty times sing help khaya nangnai abo sini motive abo sini nar mong haisi bobagra abon nai je Tripura sane khani phanrana ni muchungo mia joto SP SDPO sodor ningthing joto thing everywhere they were really aware of it but Tripura sane omne aware krei baksa tongo FB ha Facebook of haye al ulta singani intellectual neta hani saksa gosiwo सरकारनि बेतन चा चावै नगो एसी गारि कावै तंगो हा गारि कतर पाइलै नंदन नगो हाय जागा पाइलै तंगलो बियां कमा खनर तबो सिंबो जतिस थियो सिबो बम नंग बम हाय Tripura सने बै नंग फाइट खाय नंग निजि साकासे बहं ने बगै फाइट खनर सम जतन नन जतिस सिवा आइसे बबाग्रा जेकुनो Tripura सने बै कक सदि आफरके चाया we know you and we know your house we know your address Tripura सरोनो बो Azagaw alanya tatlang dihaisi. We fight enough. Sini hanang na bagay sing kebang ma coba khai haisi. Hokang bai coba khai kya but sing mania ko. Amun banyang zora ma saw haisi sing bai ke coba khai nang. What is the reason? Tamun bagay sing coba khai nang abun nung zotis ta siwa haisi. Amun banya tini ora sing kuno YTF ni sing kuno ora achievement na thangya. This achievement is not for YTF. This achievement is not for Tripura mota. This achievement is for Tripura sa. Bubagra suno tam teach khai. We know how to fight. We should know how to fight. Sing baike coba khai ne sing aba sina nang waise. Am manyang saw. Tripura hasen joto takuk te bukuk song no. Ta kiri de. Nini live o nini nang sak jekuno difficulty face no feel kai tong kai. You should know how to fight back with them haisi. Apur sinai o tiprasar kamo. Sungka o tiprasani 184 bongsoni thini buthirok. O thino tuita khaji haisi. Abon baina ang sanani nayo. Sung tabuk tinini simi sung joto nukhana. Just miya thangai sung fight khama bai. Tiprasani choba tamo haisi. Sung jekuno somoyo tabu nung tini simiya. Anytime, anywhere. Jekuno haisi. At any time. UK7 rider. Uttarakhand ni phai museum phai BDT saka. Sab affair khaika. Again YTF. Bubagarano batpar hunka. Sab news onosonan sab affair khaika. Again YTF. Tangai. YTF ni bagai simda bubagarang si. Sarat Tripura bai bubagarang liya da. Bo sarat Tripura maras ya da. Millions and millions ni Home Minister Amit Shah se masawa Raja Sahab. Gunung tiprasale tini tambai bubagarang nung tini gosiman yang. Nung hai khoraksa khurusu tiprasa ni bagai no sungtina jago kalagi tongo we are stuck here. I would like to thank to all the teams of YTF, to all the team of TWF, as well as Uttam Tripura Town Convener, Bini Chuba Mumbai, Sini Joto Chuba Mumbai, Sung Obarono Sung Eres Keman Kahisi. Tai gonta kasin bising no, Sin Thani Oldi, Ani Thani Oldi, 40 Sokpakia, ang share kayan tongmani actually, Sarigo live kayan tongmani. But ojagawo koyekjona BJP ni jara koryakatorok jara BJP ni tamjani district tam hunabang semia borabo share khaitonga dekhata o borno romiman khane ekjona kre ekjona not a single person from any other political organization was there when we filed an FIR yesterday. Koraksa political ni kono jaga ni kre hesi na Ganamukti Parishad bad di CPM na to haise. CPM ni simino all culture tu bujago Tripura. Rape and murder was created from CPM regime. Tripura sarano rape khanya ni drugs sarna ni ame CPM ni amal simi tu bujago. Amne CPM ro kono dirma na Tripura sarno na ya haise. The duty to save Tripura is not only the promoter YTF TWF. It is for entire Tripura haise. Om sep khane ni bagai abon bane barbar nong na request khai sawo sini bosong sini Tripura bosong no je Tripura ni chobani bagai fight khane ni bagai timo Tripura mo thani simi daikto ya mo joto Tripura ni baik daikto haisi even tini sana kalayo ma sawo jora man khaba Tripura accord tripartite accord je agreement sign khaijak abo suru Tripura mo thani simi daikto ya abo joto Tripura community Kobrok speaking people the 19 tribes of Tripura borong ni joto ni bagino abo kaham subida khaijak tung Tripura kodobo when will you all understand nor buhur buji nai tai abo tomuno buji yang kai tini mo hai ing tomani je chikon tomani tai bong nai haisi mia bo haino it was happen in broad daylight sal kathang khorakso bukhungno khaja tangai heres khai moles khai sal kathang emon din bo phayana sal kathang rep khaijong haisi abon bain mo sudu Tripura motha YTF TW ni simi daikto yamo ambain ang credit ang sudu YTF TW na ang credit na musungya this credit goes to all the Tripura community when we stay united we will achieve more. But if we can't stay united, we can't achieve anything. Kono pan achieve khaimang la khaise. Amon manyang sana ni musungo stay united for saving our community, for saving our people. Sing nukha tini nuknai je tamong khaise. Ang thangai tongo tai arogonta ni bisingo sing sini PSO thanai police bai kok sanai je oborono tam khaiman haise meni simi jotono sung tension nanglaijak how can this happen to one of the Tripura girl bakeng man on bake hai khaiman am banyang sana nayo thancha tongdi thancha tongkha bewono fight back khani ni logi sung be haise jotona ase kok kasari jotona hambai ti prasa ai blok thang